Shall we start? Yes. Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Dushmanta Kalhari Kultunga. I'm in Sri Lanka.
How many years old are you?
25.
Okay. Are you single or married?
Married.
Do you have children?
No, no.
Okay. So what job you are applying?
I'm housemaid.
Housemaid cum nanny.
Yeah.
But you want to work along with your husband, right? As
Yeah.
a domestic couple.
Yeah.
So what is your husband name?
My husband name is Sagar. Samaraku.
Sagara.
Samaraku.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
Sorry?
When would you be start
Anytime.
working? Immediately. Okay. Do you have relatives in UAE?
No.
Okay. Please describe your last job.
My last job, Iran.
You Iranian family. So you and your husband both worked in the Iranian family?
Yeah.
Okay. So what activities you used to do there?
Sorry?
What activities you used to do in the Iranian family? Like house cleaning?
Yeah, cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing, everything.
Okay. So how many times in a week you change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
1 week.
1 week, one time.
Yeah, week
Okay.
1.
How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
Sorry?
How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
Every day clean.
Every day you clean. Okay. So if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around, what will you do at that time? If any unknown person came to the door and your boss is not inside.
First I call my boss.
Okay.
Ask someone come in delivery. After I go.
First you check with them and then you
Yeah.
will call. Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. What kind of food you can cook?
Sorry?
What kind of food you can cook?
I made him some morning breakfast, sandwich, sometime pasta, sometime drinks, fresh drinks. Basic I know.
Okay. So even you can learn new kind of food by following the instructions, right?
Okay.
Okay. So are you willing to take care of children? Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children? Like what activities you enjoy doing with them? Like playing or
Yeah,
playing. Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Sorry?
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, if he had a small injury, at that time, what will you do?
I give some medicine. At first I ask my
First aid. You'll give first aid and you'll inform the employer.
yeah.
Okay. So as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Sorry?
As a nanny, could you say no to a child? If the child asks you something, will you say no? Okay, I'll give you a situation. Say yes or no. Okay.
Okay.
So if the child want to go to park alone, will you allow him to go or he will say no?
Yeah, I go.
No, if he want to go alone without you, will you allow him to go?
No.
No. Because it is bad, you will say no, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
2000.
2000. Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Kultunga, for your time for MaidCV.com. Thank you.
Thank you.